Hey everyone, it's Janet aka Perkiperkins. On my channel, I love creating beauty, skincare, and fashion content, which goes from everything from hauls, try-ons, tutorials, even some product recommendations. Today, I'm extremely excited because I'm actually partnering with Honeylove on this video. Honeylove graciously sent me over several pieces to try out, and today I'm going to be sharing with you how I personally like using the pieces, how I like to maybe style them, and just give you guys some information when it comes to the products. So if you're interested in fashion and maybe want some recommendations on how to spruce up your fashion game, or maybe you've been looking into shapewear, make sure you guys keep on watching. Before I go any further, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and select all in your notifications. This way YouTube will notify you the moment I do any uploads. And I would also greatly appreciate if you guys give my video a big old thumbs up and maybe leave me a comment. Let me know if you are in the market for shapewear, or maybe this video got you interested in trying out some shapewear. But let's get to it and let's start talking about my Cami. As I mentioned, Honeylove was very gracious and sent me actually several pieces over, originally through Octoly. Originally sent me two pieces, which were a black cami and my EverReady pants. And I love them so much. They actually sent me a few more colors to try on. So on today's video, not only do I want to share with you guys the pieces, but I also want to give you guys maybe some recommendations on how to style the pieces for yourselves. So right now I'm wearing the LiftAware cami in shade Fig, which FYI, these are available in 8 shades. So I'm sure you guys will find a color that fits your needs. The camera just a tad so you guys can see a better visual of how this looks. So right now I have it untucked and with my cardigan on top because I want to be able to show you guys how the cami looks all the way down and how much coverage it truly has. Because one of my things when I'm looking for shapewear is I don't like them when there's, they stop at your waist or they keep on rolling. The camis are made with incredible material that is very breathable and comfortable. Like, it's not ultra constricting basically. And just for a reference, and let me take this off now, it goes almost all the way under my tummy area. Has a really great elastic right here, so this way it stays nice and in place once you actually tuck it into your pants, because if you're going to wear pants or whatever, you want it to stay in place. Or if, let's say, you choose to use the cami and a dress, it will still stay in place. Like, I haven't really had issues with it running at all. And one of the other things I really appreciate is the fact of how the stitching is done. It really helps sculpt your body while also like kind of flattening the front as well. This is not only a regular, shapewear cami. It has a bonded support underneath, so this way it actually still provides a lift while not needing any wires. Now it does come with little cups if you choose to keep them. In my case, I decided to take them out because I didn't feel I actually needed them. It also comes with adjustable straps. This way you can make them go up more, or give yourself a little bit more room. The material is just amazing and it's so smoothing. It really truly hugs your curves without needing very heavy and constricting materials. I personally say that the Honeylove cami tops are probably one of the best investments you can make for your wardrobe, because you can actually layer virtually any garment on top, and again, it's just gonna spruce up your wardrobe. It's not your traditional, in my opinion, shapewear, because this is so comfortable. You can use it on your day-to-day life. Honeylove even offers shapewear pants. For example, the pants I'm wearing right now are their EverReady pants, and they are so nice. The pants are amazing. They're formed, again, they're very comfortable, breathable material, and they even have a little bit of a tummy control while also giving you a lot more shape to your body. I absolutely love these pants, for example, and I wear them all the time. Like, I really need them in every shade. They're available in 3 shades. But I want to share with you how I personally like layering my cami tops, since I do have 3 colors. Anyone that follows me on Instagram, they probably actually saw the post where I actually used this top. This is one of my favorite tops to use for work. It's a sheer top, and I always need an undershirt because otherwise you'll be able to see my bra. In this particular case, even using the fig color, it is still complimentary. And again, I'm not having to use a bra if I don't want to. So here's one of my button-up shirts, and again, it's fairly sheer, but it looks great, and you can't necessarily see the color, the fig color coming through. The cami tops are so comfortable. You can wear them all day, even if you're out at work, out to a party, function, you name it. So again, this is one way I personally like using it. In any of my button-down shirts, I love using the camis underneath it because it just really makes everything more flattering and, you know, less lumpy as well. Another style of tops, which I'm pretty sure most of us have loads of these, is a more fitted long sleeve top, which sometimes, again, we don't want the little rolls or muffin tops to be showing. Personally, this is another type of top that I personally love using my camis over. A fitted top. This is a very soft, kind of thin material, so literally anywhere I go, you can see all my little lumps and humps and all that fun stuff showing through the through the top. And if I wear pants that are not as fitted, it's going to show all the lumps down here as well. And this one gave me just a tad bit more shape than even my large does, because of course it's going to cinch in just a bit more, and it's showing off a little bit more of my curves. So this is one of my favorite blazers. Actually, it's very, very comfortable. It's very casual. You know, you can make it casual, you can make it business. It's very cute. You know, it's a transitional piece. That's what I'm going to call it. But many times I want to just have like a simple shirt underneath. I don't want nothing too busy. I can style it with my dress slacks, skirt, or my Honeylove pants. This is still, again, another great piece. You can easily layer them on top, and it has a nice strap right here where it doesn't necessarily look like an undershirt, you know what I mean? I personally really love the camis, and I do highly recommend them because these pieces are easily, you know, you can easily layer the garments. You can put virtually anything on top of them, and it's gonna look super cute. And again, it's available in 8 colors, so I'm sure you'll find a color that fits you, or the color that you would love to have, where you can accessorize it as, you know, to your heart's content. Honeylove does actually have a cami bodysuit, but I'm just trying to give you guys ideas on how you can wear the regular LiftAware cami, just so you guys are aware. You know, they do have the full body option basically, but I'm just trying to show you guys this one because again, I really do love it. It's so smoothing and flattering to your body. It really hugs your curves while smoothing things out, you know? So now let's talk about the EverReady pants, which are available in 3 colors. Now for the pants, these are made for more like dress attire. So they are available in 3 colors. It has a great straight point leg, and again, these are very flattering to the body, so it really hugs your curves while also having a little bit of tummy control right here. One thing that I think is really, really cool besides the basics, these pants have pockets. Yes, not the front, but it does have 2 pairs. It does have a pair of pockets on the back side. Now, another great thing I would like to mention, actually, I personally prefer high-waisted jeans or pants in general because I spend hours on end in a car driving every single day for my day job, and these pants, I could wear them all day without having any issues, without feeling my legs constricted or tight. Like for example, who hasn't been in a car for hours driving and then your legs start hurting because your jeans are getting too tight or it's stopping circulation? I don't have those issues with these particular pants. So I wanted to be able to share with you guys how they actually look not on the body. So you can see The waistband, it's a nice waistband. Again, it doesn't roll down, it doesn't bunch up on me or anything like that. It has those little panels, the panel control thingy that they talked about right here on the side, so that way they make sure they stay up. They do have their pockets, which on this side it has the little Honeylove emblem. Right? To me, this is more of a straight leg versus a super skinny jean. But again, these are perfect for every day, for business wear, casual wear, you name it. You can wear this for any occasion, honestly. And on the front, it does have like the faux pockets. So it does have like the little design of the faux pockets, which is still very, very cute. And I would like to mention also, I've personally washed my tops and bottom several times now, and they have not shrunk, they have not lost any coloring, nothing. These have grade A quality material and fibers inside to make sure they stay true to color and shape for a long time. I also want to share with you guys the other two colors I did receive for the Cami tops. As I briefly mentioned, the first Cami top I received was the black one actually. You can see how the bottom of the shape is and how the bonding is much better this way. You can see the straps right there. And then just in case you weren't able to see the symbol, because I know I was kind of far back, I was also sent rose tan in large. Each garment is sent in their own individual little bag, which these are very nice material. They're actually designed in California, so they're a California brand. And these bags are recyclable, so you don't have to worry about, you know, creating more waste. These are really good quality bags. I would recommend you to save them for like travel. The rose tan is a very beautiful kind of like pale color, which I think this would be a great fit if you're like a lighter skin tone like myself and you wanted something to be more complimentary for your. Oh yeah, on this guy, on the rose tan, you could definitely see more of the shape on how it really cinches the body. And then just so you guys can see the inside where the bra area would be. Again, very nice breathable material, and you can easily slip out the little cups. Another nice bonus with each order, you actually receive a free garment. You receive a free garment bag actually to wash your pieces. This is a very nice quality garment bag, and honestly, I usually I buy them on my own, but mine are nowhere near this good of a quality. So I've gotten so far a black one, and then this is like a nude one. The garment bags just do come with the Honeylove logo. I've received the black one as well. You would throw in your top, your pant, one at a time please, and you can actually put it in the washing machine. Personally, I don't ever dry mine in the dryers. I let them air dry because I just want to be cautious. I know they also come, you know, they have the instructions inside on how to care for them as well. But that's usually how I do it. I put them in the washer under like gentle or delicates, and then I do air dry just to be on the safe side. And these garment bags do truly help save your product. That way your investment lasts a very long time. So I wanted to share a visual of how Honeylove's website is. As you can see, this is some great demonstrations of some of the products that they feature, which are meant to fit most shapes and sizes. Honeylove does offer sizing from extra small to 3X, and they offer free shipping on all orders over $75. Products. Also, if for some reason you're not sure of what your size might be depending on the style you're looking for, they have an incredible sizing tool. You can click on find my size and select what you're looking for, and it will definitely help guide you to hopefully choose the right item. Also, as you can see, these are all the items that they feature, which they have a large extensive product offering and color options as well, which again is incredible. Plus you get 30 days to return or exchange the items. As I mentioned, Honeylove has an extensive product offering besides their traditional shapewear and of course the camis and the pants that I've been sharing with you guys. They also have other top styles, they have bras, they have leggings, they have bodysuits, underwear. They have a lot of different styles and colors to choose from. I'd also like to mention that I do have a 10% off affiliate link down below, and if you'd like to use it for your first purchase or more purchases, I would greatly appreciate it as I do make a small commission. Now let me know what you guys think. Do you guys like some of the pieces I picked out and how I possibly style them? Or if maybe you have some suggestions for me on how to style the pieces, I would love to hear them. But if you haven't tried out shapewear, did this possibly give you an idea to pick some up? I would love to hear your thoughts. And thank you once more to Honeylove for partnering with me on today's video. I really love and appreciate each and every one of you. Take care, be safe, and I will catch you all on the next one. Goodbye.